The 2026 Ford Puma ST-Line is the small crossover that refuses to dress sensibly. Same practical Puma underneath. Up here, a body kit, a rear spoiler, and 18-inch alloys. Warm hatch looks on a sensible crossover. That is the ST-Line pitch. The styling writes a check the engine was never asked to cash. Lower and wider than the Puma most people picture. From behind, the sportier bumper and the roof spoiler do the talking, not badges. There is a clever surprise hiding in the boot, so subscribe and stick around for it and the honest verdict. The face is where the ST-Line earns its name, a meaner grille and slim LED lights around the blue oval. Now inside, Ford threw out the old cabin. The ST-Line greets you with two big screens, red stitching, and a flat-bottom sports wheel. Red thread runs down the doors too. The sports seats are the highlight, deeply bolstered, trimmed in suede look and that same red stitching. Behind the wheel, a 12.8-inch digital cluster, sharp and configurable, a proper step up for this class. Beside it, a 12-inch touchscreen. It runs Ford's latest sync software, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto built in, with a wireless charging pad below the climate controls. The whole dash tilts toward the driver, as it should. Tick the options, and a panoramic roof floods the cabin with light. The Puma's cleverest trick is not in here at all. It hides under the boot floor. Open the back. The rear bench is where the sporty crossover meets real life. Headroom is fine, but knee room is merely okay, and taller adults will feel it on long trips. It is a small car, remember? Up front, the seating position is spot on. Space is decent for the class, and the boot is the clincher. But first, the drive. A 1-liter mild hybrid, 155 horsepower, and reviewers call the ST-Line's firmer suspension genuinely keen. So, about that boot. Lift the floor, and you find the MegaBox, an 80-liter well with a drain plug at the bottom. Muddy boots, wet wetsuits, a small dog, hose it out afterward. Total space runs to 456 liters. That is where rivals start to sweat. The Volkswagen T-Roc R-Line gives 19 more liters of boot, but no MegaBox and asks a few thousand more to own. That sharp look asks one price. A lowered sports suspension that firms the ride over broken roads. Prices open near £27,000, undercutting most rivals this stylish. Buy the ST-Line X for the screens and B&O sound. Skip it if your roads are truly awful. At 9.2 on the AutoTB score, it is the Puma to have when you want quiet fun.